Today we're going to be taking off the bumper on our 2012 Dodge Challenger. First thing we're going to do is take this plastic piece off, which comes right out. Just pull it right out. And you have a second one over here, which is underneath your lever for your hood, or the bonnet, as they say in England. Now we have a couple of screws we're going to have to take out. One of them is right over here, where my finger is. And there's another one on the other side, right here. Okay, so those are 10 millimeters. So what we're going to use is a 10 millimeter socket and an extension and our ratchet. Okay, there's one. All right, let's take it. Now we're going to take off some clips. There's 1, 2, 3 here, and 1, 2, 3 here. And we're just going to use, you can get a pry tool, but we're going to use a screwdriver and just pry them up like that. I don't need to do that. Next step is to take out these clips right here. There's 4 of them. There's 1, 2. Now our fender inner well is we're able to pull this back. Now some of these cars also have wash plates underneath, ours doesn't. So you'll have to go underneath and pull out some more pins and take that wash plate, which protects the underneath of your car, off. But now that we have this done, we have another 10 millimeter bolt right here that we have to take off. There's one more bolt that we have to get off. It's right inside here. Can you see that? And we'll get our ratchet, socket, and extension in there, and we'll get that one off. So I had to use a 10 millimeter wrench to go in and loosen up the nut that you have to take out here. And so that's what I've done. There we go. So there it is. That's the toughest one to get off. Pry these off. Sometimes they come out real easily. Yours might be different. They'll vary from car to car depending on who's been in there. And we're missing this one and the bottom one because ours is broken. But you get the idea. So another 10 millimeter right here, and then the one inside. To peel back your fender well a little bit. And we gotta get that bolt right in there. Okay. All right, now we should be ready to take our bumper off. Now that we have it undone, you just kind of snap it out of here because it's snapped in to the other side. Okay, it's going to make a noise. Remove it from the middle, and now we have to unplug our lights. To unhook your bumper from your car, just press down on this clip here and pull out. Now you're free from the connectors for your lights, fog lights, and your turn signals. Time to put it back together. There's a little spike here, right? It's going to help guide you in like that. Start from the middle and work your way to the sides. And you're just going to have to manhandle it in. Okay? Because it doesn't really want to. There we go. Okay, so just do your best to manhandle it in. Right there. Okay, that one's in. They were missing the other two, but I happen to have two extra. Two and three. Put these back in. Okay. And that's how you change the bumper on your Dodge Challenger SXT. We had to replace our lower grille and our chin spoiler here, and we did that while the bumper was off. You can also change your headlights and even your main grille in the front of the car. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.